They are lying to you, ladies and gentlemen, and they do it all the time. We have got to stop this. We have to get people in Washington, D.C. who will represent you instead of the Democrat Party and their agenda. I was born and raised in the Puget Sound area, as was my wife, who's back there with me today. I went to the University of Puget Sound, graduated with a degree in political science. I have a master's in public administration. I served in the United States Air Force. I flew in Vietnam and Desert Storm. I am just as proud that today my son, who returned last night, is with us today, helping us back on our boat. He returned from Afghanistan. He's flying to the United States. And unlike our presidents and Democrats alike, I am proud of my country. That you take our yard signs, take our literature, take whatever you can, spread the word, ladies and gentlemen. DanMatthewsForCongress.com. We need your help. All of us do. We need to replace what's going on and start headed in the right direction. Thank you. I am Dan Matthews, and I am here to replace Rick Larsen.